Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. For this basic Hangul content, we're going to learn how Hangul is basically formed and learn some vocabularies with this principle. First, we start with vowels. For the standard vowels, we have 10. When you pronounce the vowels, you use iun for the consonant to make the letter. Let's practice one at a time. A, ya, o, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이, 이. Good job! When consonants meet the vowels, they make letters, like a puzzle. Hangul is phonetic, 소리 문자, and we make any kind of letters based on what we hear with consonant plus vowel. Today, we are going to study from A to 요. Let's begin.
아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요,
A, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요. Good job, everyone! Let's meet in another standard vowels videos again. Thanks for watching. Bye!